Shifting our focus now to some more news from the national capital now. Aam Aadmi Party Rajya Sabha MP Raghav Chadha today raised the issue of Delhi air pollution in the parliament, saying that stubble burning was not the only reason for the poor AQI in the national capital. Farmers were forced to burn the stubble since they do not have any other option. This is what he said in the Parliament today. He's also said that burning stubble was a compulsion for farmers. Farmers were not responsible for air pollution in Delhi. He has also proposed crop diversification as a long-term solution to the issue. We've spoken to him. Listen in.
Aam Aadmi Party MP Raghav Chadha is with me. Sir, you mentioned about the air pollution issue in Rajya Sabha today. You stated that it is just not about Delhi, but for entire North India, something needs to be done. What was the issue, and what response and what demands do you seek from the government?
Look, I only attempted to highlight that air pollution is not a Delhi-specific issue. Air pollution is a North India issue, and the entire North Indian region today suffers from bad levels of air pollution. Now, among the several causes of air pollution, one of the cause is stubble burning. I mean, a study by IIT suggests that stubble burning is one of the several causes. It is not the cause of air pollution. However, because there is a lot of chatter around stubble burning in Punjab, Haryana and other states, I wanted to highlight the plight of the Punjabi farmer. No farmer, out of their own happiness, burns the stubble. They do so because in order to get rid of the remains of the paddy crop, that is the stubble, they have only 8 to 10 days, at max 12 days. In those 12 days, they have to get rid of the stubble.
Correct.
In order to get rid of the stubble, if you provide them with happy seeders and paddy cropper machines, the running and the operations of that cost of that machine is very expensive. So the least expensive option is burning the paddy. Now, the farmer is the biggest sufferer in terms of his and his family's respiratory health when they burn the farm fields. So what you have to do is financially compensate the farmer for the use of machines like happy seeder, paddy cropper and all. I have calculated that it comes to about 2,500 rupees per acre. If we give 2,500 rupees per acre to every farmer of Punjab, Haryana and other states, no farmer would be wanting to burn the stubble. They would use paddy croppers and happy seeders and get rid of the stubble. Out of the 2,500 per acre, 2,000 rupees can be given by the government of India, 500 rupees can be given by respective state governments. I promise and commit on behalf of my state government of Punjab that we will happily give 500 rupees per acre if the central government is willing to put in their share of money.
पराली के निदान के लिए एक समस्या है, इसको करने के लिए कि अल्टरनेटिव क्रॉप। हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी ने जो मिलेट्स की बताई, आज मिलेट्स जो है हमारा मिलेट विश्व में जा रहा है, इसका प्रयोग हो रहा है, स्वास्थ्य के लिए है। तो धान की जगह अब हम लोग धान भी हम लगाएं, लेकिन साथ साथ अगर हम मिलेट्स लगाते हैं तो धान का रकबा कम होगा, पराली कम होगी और उसके बाद उसका सदुपयोग हो जाएगा। महोदय, पराली का एक बहुत बड़ा प्रयोग हमारे देश में ही हो रहा है, उड़ीसा में, तमिलनाडु में, बंगाल में, जहां इससे मशरूम पैदा किया जाता है। ये मशरूम गर्मी में पैदा होता है 35 से 40 डिग्री में, इसको पैडी मशरूम कहते हैं। इसकी शुरुआत हमारे यहाँ 1940 में हुई थी और विश्व में इसका काफ़ी प्रयोग पैडी मशरूम के रूप में हो रहा है। हमारे देश में ही बंगाल में, आसाम में, उड़ीसा में, आंध्र प्रदेश में, तमिलनाडु में इसको हम पैडी मशरूम के उत्पादन के लिए किसानों को हम प्रोत्साहित कर सकते हैं।